To craft in the mobile game AUT, follow these steps. Number 1, gather materials or resources that are required for crafting. Okay. This can include items found during gameplay or rewards from completing quests. Number 2, access the crafting menu. Okay. Open the game and navigate to the crafting section, usually found in the main menu or inventory. Number 3, choose a recipe. Okay. Look through available recipes to see what you can craft. Each recipe will list the materials needed and the benefits of the crafted items. Number 4, check requirements. Okay. Make sure that you have all the required materials for the recipe that you want to use. If you're missing anything, go back into the game to gather more resources. Number 5, select the recipe. Okay. Once you have everything that you need, select the recipe that you want to craft. Number 6, craft the item. Okay. Craft the item. Confirm the crafting action. The game will process the crafting and you'll receive the new item. Number 7, check your inventory. Okay. After you craft, after crafting, check your inventory to see that the new items and the stats. Number 8, use or trade your crafted items. You can now use your crafted items in gameplay or trade them with other players. Now, by following these steps, you can effectively craft in AUT and enhance your gameplay. If there's anything that actually might help somebody and you want to put it in the comments, put it in the comments. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.